Create a rich, compelling story world, and your content could expand into other forms of storytelling such as video games, or comic books, or episodes of a web series, otherwise known as transmedia storytelling. Film has been king in Tinseltown for decades, but a new form of storytelling, known as transmedia, is forcing studio executives to rethink the way a complete story is packaged. Seize the Media creates and finances transmedia entertainment properties that fully integrate feature films, TV and web series, mobile micro-narratives, and gaming applications.
Transmedia. Although there is no simple definition of transmedia, the Producers Guild of America's Commissioning Board for Transmedia Projects says that to qualify as a transmedia project, it must have 3 stories told via 3 distinct media.
But wait, even as a kid I remember watching the TV show, reading the comics, and playing the game.
Yes, that is multi-platform, but it's not transmedia. Transmedia focuses on the modern world's habits of media consumption and social interactions.
The transmedia story immerses an audience in the story's universe through a variety of platforms to tell a narrative in a consistent and unifying story world. The integration of social interactions by these new media forms and the personal choice of distribution channel, model, and time of day transforms media consumption into a deeply engaging and social one.
So what platforms can be utilized by transmedia?
TV series, novels, feature films, web video series, short films, radio podcasts, Twitter blogs, video games, official websites, online radio, advertisements, comics, Facebook, multiplayer gaming, merchandise, animation, mobile applications, forums and music, to name a few. As well as physical events such as launches, promo parties and conventions. An effective transmedia model does not just use as many media platforms as it can, but utilizes each platform, its communities and functions, to communicate different elements of the story. Its success relies on fragmenting a narrative and making each platform do what it does best, expanding the story's universe in a new way, but keeping the central narrative and themes at the core.
Sounds good in theory, but how does it work in practice?
HBO's True Blood series has a website. This website gives you all the information you need on the series, the characters, the music and the merchandise, and also directs you to the video blog hosted by one of the side characters of the show, the baby vampire Jessica.
That's 5 interconnecting platforms being used to expand the True Blood universe.
Another example of effective transmedia storytelling can be seen in the Batman franchise, with the release of the film, The Dark Knight, as well as the obvious Batman comics, games, merchandise, cartoons and previous films. The transmedia project Why So Serious was used to help promote the new film and bridge the gap between the previous Batman movies. Why So Serious was an alternative reality game that attracted over 10 million unique participants in 75 different countries. Taking place over the months before the film was launched, participants were given a variety of tasks and even had a choice of whose side to join. The majority of the content was based online, with web-based scavenger hunts to unlock new content, promotional photos and trailers. There were also real-world events, to name one, a fake election campaign for one of the film's characters, Harvey Dent, who mailed participants and even called them asking for their support. Why So Serious was a complex transmedia experiment that mostly attracted people who were already Batman fans, but the publicity from the real-world events helped fuel the film's hype, helping it become the second highest grossing film of all time. Transmedia not only needs a strong story at its heart in order to become successful, it also needs to attract a base of media consumers to use each platform. Human interaction is at the core of transmedia success, in order for each platform to interconnect and thrive.